Hey guys, Theo here and hope you're having a spicy day, and thanks for joining me in my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious low-carb, keto-friendly pizza crust. It's only 4 ingredients, super delicious and super easy to make. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channels. Alright, let's get started.
In a microwave-safe bowl, melt together your shredded cheese and cubed cream cheese for 90 seconds. Then, mix in your eggs and coconut flour. Continue to knead your dough with your hands until everything comes together. Then, transfer to a parchment-lined baking sheet. Flatten your dough with your hands or a rolling pin until it is a thin layer. Then, bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 minutes. Once your crust is golden brown, add whatever kind of toppings you like. Today I'm adding marinara, cheese, and pepperonis. Lastly, finish it off in the oven for about 5 additional minutes.
Alright guys, after you baked your crust, you can top it off with whatever kind of toppings that you like. Today I made a pepperoni pizza, but you can make any kind of pizza you want with any kind of toppings. The sky's the limit. Alright, let's see how it tastes. It tastes just like pizza. I don't taste any I don't taste any of the coconut flour. It just tastes like nice, yummy pizza crust. If you like this recipe, it'll be found in the blog post below. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And as always, keep it spicy.